welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't done a clothing haul in a hot minute. So obviously from the title you guys can see that this is a Princess Polly haul. You guys know Princess Polly is one of my go-to online stores. I feel like if someone asked me what my favorite online shop is, I would probably have to say Princess Polly because 90% of my wardrobe is from there. I just love their styles. I love how the clothes fit. They do offer free express shipping over $50, which is amazing, and it comes so fast. I remember when I was living in Perth, I'd make an order, 2 days later it'd be at my door. Anyways, I picked up a bunch of, like, I would say winter sort of essentials or pieces that you can pair with clothes in your wardrobe already, or just like staple items that I feel like you need this winter. I also have a discount code with Princess Polly. It's JazLoves20 for 20% off. I'll also leave that in the description box down below, and I'll make sure I leave all the links as well to everything so you can easily shop. So I'm going to start off with this first outfit. So these are like literally the best fitting baggy cargos I think I have in my collection. Yeah, I got a size 12 in these and they just fit so nicely on the hips. Not too tight, not too loose as well. The one thing I find with upsizing in cargos or any sort of pants, to get that low-rise feel, most of the time, like the crotch area is like really long and it just kind of, I don't know, I just hate, I've got so many cargos that I've bought like in a size up that fit me really nicely here but just not flattering like on this part, whereas this is just like the perfect fit all round. So I love these. I paired them with sneakers, and then this top also is from Princess Polly, obviously. I probably would have gone down. I got a 12 in this. I just thought that this would be more of like a tight fitted sort of bralette, but it's actually like really stretchy. So yeah, just keep that in mind with this kind of top. And then they're Boleros. They've got so many different colors. So I've got, I think, 4 different color Boleros. So this one's the cream one, and I also got the lime one, which is probably here. Yeah, I've got that one, and I've also got the gray, which is here. These honestly just make an outfit 10 times better. Like, if you think you look boring and if you're wearing something basic like this, chuck a Bolero on. Like, I just love it. I always get questions asking like about my Boleros and where to get them. Princess Polly have so many cool colors, and they're like not an itchy material as well. So okay, so I did get another pair of cargos because I've been eyeing off these lioness ones for ages. I'm pretty sure they're called the Miami Vice pants. I did get them in the green color that everyone seems to be wearing, but I just was unsure of the sizing, and I ended up getting an XL, and they were way too big. Like literally, I feel like they almost like fell down my hips. And I did see a lot of people like commenting saying how oversized they are, and I think they fixed the sizing in like their new batch of pants. So I ended up going down one size. If there was still that same fit as the XL that I got, I would have got a medium because they were just so big. I ended up actually giving them away because I couldn't wear them. So I ended up getting the large in these, and I feel like they are way more true to size. So they are quite fitted, but I feel like with these kinds of pants, they do stretch with wear. So definitely keep that in mind. I did want like a baggier fit, and I feel like once I wear these in a little bit, they will end up being, you know, that like looser, baggier fit, but like they fit like absolutely like perfectly around the waist. Bit of a gape in the bum, but I mean, if they do loosen up, I will be wearing them a bit lower, but I do really love these. Like, they're so nice, really flattering. Okay, next outfit. I'm not normally a dress girl. Like literally I never wear dresses, but I had to have this when I saw it on the website. Look at the detailing. Like, what? I do have nipple covers on, like just like the little silicone ones, just because this part is see-through and there's no like sort of lining. But like this jacket, I feel like everyone's kind of wearing these kinds of jackets over the top with like black boots, black strappy heels. Could even go a white strappy heel maybe. I'm obsessed with this jacket. I feel like I'm going to get so much use out of this. Boot test, because I've had some bad experiences, if you know, you know, of like boots with zippers not going up my calf. Now, I don't have like the biggest of calves. Obviously, they're not the smallest of calves, but I don't know. I just would think most boots would fit my legs, but clearly not. So I've got one of them up. They definitely pass the calf check. These are the cutest boots ever. Oh my god, I'm dying over this next dress. Like, actually dying. Oh, I'm speechless. So, I was actually gonna get, like, I was looking on the website, obviously, and they only had XL in stock, which is this size. Now, normally, if I was shopping, I would probably go for maybe like a medium or large, because I think it did say it was, oh, maybe it wasn't oversized. I probably would have shopped the large if they had it in stock, but I'm so glad that I got an XL. Because I just look at the fit. I'm actually obsessed. So you can obviously tie this up to as tight or as loose as you want. I tried to make it sort of so it cinches in at the waist. Perfect length as well. Oh my god, and I feel like with dresses like this, like you can wear these over and over again. Like it's not like a one-time outfit and then you like never see it again. Like this is something that I would wear over and over, you know? Just because it's just so chic, elegant, sophisticated, like it looks hot on. I'm actually obsessed. I feel like this is my favorite piece. And I don't wear dresses, like, ever. And this is a dress, and I'm like, I'm dead. Especially with the boots. I can't deal. Okay, next outfit. I'm obsessed. So, we have, this is a blazer by the brand Lioness from Princess Polly. Didn't get it this haul, but I've had it for ages and I'm obsessed with it. I always get questions asking where it's from. They actually have so many colors, or just so many blazers on Princess Polly. I also did pick up this one because I do have one from Jerf Avenue and I feel like this is literally the exact same. So I wanted to pick this up to show you guys because you guys always ask me about it. Like this is my Jerf and this is Princess Polly. Like you literally couldn't even tell the difference. So if you're looking for a Jerf dupe, Princess Polly has it. So I purely got this so I could show you guys. And it's really cute. This is more of like a fitted size. I got a small to medium. That one's more of like an oversized size, but obviously size up if you're wanting that. But this blazer is an XL. And I think it looks so cute. Like I feel like it's like the star of the outfit and then you've got like the cute little set peeping underneath. I thought I'd just quickly show you guys what it looked like with the blazer dress so you don't have to like buy another blazer because I feel like this also looks really cute on and I think you can take, oh no, I think this is fixed. Oh no, you can take this off, this belt, or you could like tie it around loosely and wear it like that with the set underneath it. That's an idea. That's actually really cute. I really like that. But yeah, this is just the dress that I was wearing before, the blazer dress. Obsessed. There's people fixing my leak in this room, so if you hear banging and like sounds, then it's them. I got a fright because they just banged on the wall, maybe just like to let me know that they're there. Not sure. Anyways, this is my last fit. Now, these cargos, I think I'm going to return for a size 12. I ended up getting a 14 in them. That's why I've kept the tag on. But I think a 12 would just be a little bit better, especially because obviously denim does stretch with wear and I don't want them down to my ankles by the end of the day. But these are cool. These are really cool. I really like these. So yeah, I'm going to return these for a 12 so they can sit. They probably will sit a little bit higher, but like a little bit more fitted. And then I got this top. I feel like this top is circulating the internet right now. They have a few colors of these, but this is just like the perfect top. I love it. I think I'm gonna have to get it in black. And then I just thought I'd pair the Bolero with it. I don't think that this gray one suits. Let's try this one back on. Yeah, that one might be a bit better. That's it. I've just got a pair of runners on as well. That is everything I got this time round from Princess Polly. Don't forget to use my 20% off discount code, which I will leave down below and on the screen for you guys if you guys want to shop. Thank you so much for watching. I'll make sure I do these a little bit more often and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.